Good evening students, welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Akis. Today we brought a topic of class 6 lines and angles, Ganita Prakash book. So we brought a topic for you, lines and angle. We will start with first is point. Okay, a point is what? Point is like this, which has no shapes, no size. No size means no length, no width, no height. Okay, so this is known as it is denoted by a point on a plane. So like point, where do you see these points in the example? Like है ना, tip of pencils. You see tip of pencil as an example of point. Okay, fingertip. Okay, that is again a point. Okay, the pointed end of a needle, pointed end of needle. So these are the points. Okay, so point, you can how many points you can draw in a plane? So you can put n number of points, any points, you can put multiple points there. Okay, so a satellite in the space is again a point for you. A satellite in the space is a point for you. Okay, so whatever we see which has no shape, no size, from here, the corner of a room, again a point for you. So this is all about, it is denoted by like this is the unlimited point. So like if you're putting on a plane, this is the plane, unlimited points. Okay, so you can put unlimited points on a plane. Now the second topic is line segment. What is line segment? A line segment is the shortest distance between 2 points. There are 2 points. Okay, points ऊपर पढ़ा हमने. The shortest distance between 2 points is known as line segment. ठीक है. So shortest distance between 2 points. Shortest distance between 2 points is known as line segment. So this is fixed. Okay, this is fixed. Okay, this is definite length. Okay, so line segment, suppose that there are 2 points like this, A and B. Okay, if you are joining these 2 points like this, A to B, so you will represent this is AB bar. Okay, so this is known as line segment. This is read as AB bar. So this is the line segment. So these points A and B are called the end point of the line segment. So this is the end point. Okay, end points. कौन से end points? A is end points, B is also end points. So this is the known as end points of the line segment. So you have seen the edge of the box. I'll put the box here. Okay, this is the box here. This is the edge of the box. This is the edge of the box. Okay, so this is the like end points. Okay, any mobile you can put anything. This is the edge. Okay, this is the corner. Okay, so end point. This is the end point of. Okay, so like if I'll put you, suppose I write any 5 line segment. If you this is a figure like this. Okay, A, B, C. So this is a rough figure. Okay, this is like this. This is like this. You are connecting this. Again you are connecting like this. This is here. This is D. This is F. This is G. Here put E. Connect the E with G, F with E, E with G. So if I'll ask you, write the name of any 5 line segment. So any 5 line segments. So what will you write? A to B, two bit distance between two points, shortest distance. तो ए बी एक लाइन सेगमेंट हो गया, इसको कैसे डिनोट करोगे? ए बी बार. देन द व्हाट इज द सेकंड लाइन सेगमेंट इज बी सी बार. ओके, सी डी बार, अगेन बी एफ बार, बी एफ जी ई. 5 लिखने हैं, 1 2 3 4 5. दिस इज द पॉइंट. यू कैन राइट मैनी लाइन सेगमेंट्स. Okay, so you can write many line segment here. Okay, so this is the line segment about this. If I'll write you, if I'll ask you, so point is clear, line segment is clear to you, point is clear to you. So if I'll ask you like this is the this is okay, this is P, this is Q, like this is R. So P, Q, R, S, these are the points. So name the line segment in the given figure. Or if I'll ask you, is P the end point of each line segment? Is P the end point of each line segment? Okay, so you have to write the line segment. So line segment, what will the first line segment is? PQ. PQ bar like this, or QP bar. You can read it from here to here, here to here. Okay, PQ bar, QP bar. Okay, bar दोनों के ऊपर है. It is both the end. Okay, then again PR bar or RP bar. PR bar or RP bar. Okay, then PS bar or SP bar. Okay, so this is, so from the figure what is, it is clear that point P is the end point of each line segment. So point P end point of each line segment, so this is all about this. So now next topic is the line. So we'll complete the line. Line segment is clear to you. Now the line. Now about line. What do you understand by the line? So that we will understand line. What is line? Line is obtained when so line segment, like this was line segment. So this was line segment. So when extend in both directions, when these points, a line is obtained when a line segment AB is extended on both sides. Like it is extended here, it is A is extended here, extended in both direction, both or both sides. Okay, so line is obtained. So make sure. Okay, so line is denoted by like this. If AB is stretching like this, okay, so both direction, so one arrow here, one arrow here, so it is denoted by this. Okay, so sometime it is also denoted by a single letter, like हमने इसको बोला AB बार, AB line है, this is AB means this is the arrow, तो इसका नाम दे दिया L. We are putting it as L. L is the line, name of the line. Okay, so this is line. So you are extending it, okay, like this. So this is a line L. A line has length only, it has neither width nor thickness. So line has length only, width नहीं होती है, height means thickness नहीं है. So line has length only. Okay, so in other words 2 points are enough to fix a line. So there are 2 points, 2 points are enough. Okay, these are the characteristics. 2 points are enough to fix a line. 2 points are enough to fix a line. So a line has length only, it has neither width nor thickness. An endless line can be drawn on a paper by using 2 arrows, head one at each end of the portion of the line, which indicate that it extends in both direction indefinitely. So a line is going in this direction also, this direction also, and like this also, top to bottom. So both the direction it is going. So line has this is endless. Okay, endless line can be drawn. So this is all about line. Next video we'll continuing this chapter. Thank you very much for watching all the video. Do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you.